How to change the language for Apple Intelligence and Siri on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Next, we scroll down, and in here tap on Language. From the list of languages, you can select a language that you would like to use. And then after, you can tap on the back key, then tap on Change Language. And that's it. So that is how you can change the language for Apple Intelligence and Siri on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.